Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I will show you unboxing and review of this decorative things which I ordered from Emirates. So let's see. So I have ordered these two artificial guard, as you can see, garland for of flowers from Emirates, and cost me around 7 to 9 dirhams each. So as you can see, it is nice looking. It is artificial garland having this thread, or you can say bucket, and we have this thread from which you can just hang this into any part of your house. And it is made up of polystyrene material and having dimension of 13 by 13 and 18 centimeter height. This is the second garland. You can see it is a white color having white flowers, and inside we have the material. So it look nice, and the quality is good, as you can see. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.